Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is nnshapumba, aka Nee the Hustler. So, guys, this is not a nice video. I'm sure you can probably notice something about me that just doesn't look right. So basically, what happened was I had a dream. I had a beautiful dream. It started off very, very nice, and then so basically in the dream I bought a car, and then I bought a house, right? And then next thing, there were three people that were coming at me, and they started beating me. It's so weird. um they were hitting me so bad that my face, in the dream, my face was swollen and I couldn't see. And then when I woke up, okay, let me just tell the dream. So I dreamed that I bought a house and I bought a car, and then I don't know, it just switched to a place where there were three people attacking me. So they were hitting me really, really bad, to the point that I was on the ground. So they continued beating me up. And then the person who came to save me, the person who came to my rescue, is actually my neighbor. He's such a special person in my life, in my heart. um you know what they say about it takes a village to raise a child. I don't even feel like I appreciate him as much as I should, right? And then he actually came to save me. So he was pulling, basically, why do I like using this word? So he was pulling these people one by one, like he was just pulling them off of me. And then I remember him saying, Vuga Sesi. Vuga Sesi means wake up, Sisi, like wake up, sister, you know. And when I woke up, I, I felt like, okay, I know I have like fat lips, guys. I know I'm aware, but I felt like, hi man, it was just so heavy. I woke up crying. I was crying, and my funny enough, my husband woke up at the same time that I had woken up, but he will tell his story one day. So basically, we had a nightmare. Everyone just had a nightmare. And when I woke up, I was crying. I didn't even talk to my husband. I started praying, and then I started praying, and I started praying. And after praying, that's when I asked my husband, Hori, is my lip swollen? You know? And he said, yeah, your lip is swollen. And this is how it looks like, guys. So I dreamt that people were hitting me, you know, and they were uttering these words, saying that we want you to suffer. We want you to suffer. Why don't you listen? So my question here is, do you believe in witchcraft? Please comment down below and let me know if you believe in witchcraft, or am I reading too much into things? Because how do you explain waking up with a lip like this? After dreaming that um you're being beaten. It's yo, guys. I'm looking this side because my husband is also just so shocked. He's as shocked as I am. Like, I I believe in God. I strongly believe in God, guys. I believe in God because there's no way in life where there's going to be good without something, without the bad, the good and the evil. So the devil is at work, guys. Really. Now I personally believe in witchcraft. I do. It's just that um it didn't really have my attention until certain things in my life started happening. That's when I got to see, this. As much as I would want to think that it's impossible, but some things are just like, how do you explain this, guys? I didn't even wash my face. I didn't even brush my teeth because I didn't want it to wear off, because if I was going to tell this story, no one was going to believe me. This is literally the day after I cut my hair. And I've said so many times how uncomfortable I was with my hair. Um, I wasn't at peace. I wasn't at peace. I don't know how many times I said I wasn't comfortable with my hair. I just wasn't at peace because it was just a lot. Like, it grew a lot when I was pregnant, and then I couldn't cut it. Like I mentioned in a video that I filmed, that I couldn't cut it because I had to wait for my son to be at a certain, certain weeks before I cut it. It's my mom's culture. And so when I cut this hair, I told myself the following day I was going to bench shoot YouTube videos because I am so comfortable in my own skin right now. My self-confidence is coming back slowly but surely. And I wake up like this. Like this, guys. Look at that. Like, I cannot believe it. I really didn't want to wash my face. I didn't want to do anything because if I had to tell a story, it was not going. A lot of people were not going to believe me, and Am I terrified? No, you know. This is scary, but it's not bigger than my God. So it's just one of those. I just wanted to get your opinions on what do you believe in this, or it was just a bad dream. I probably um slept because I'm thinking maybe I didn't sleep well, you know, or something bit me or something. Because the weirdest thing about this thing is that it's not painful, but I can feel that you know there's something wrong with my lip, but I there's no pain. So comment down below and let me know. Maybe I'm losing my mind. Hey Pella, it happens, these things. And there's no way I hardly sleep on my tummy, like facing down. I don't sleep. I sleep on my sides. So guys, I you know the saddest thing about this thing, I'm such an emotional person. The saddest thing about this thing is that anghluphi mundu, I I'm always hustling, guys. I'm always hustling, you know. Marriage is a blessing from God, but I wouldn't want to be the I wouldn't want to depend on my husband only. I want to have my own things, and I also want to contribute to our marriage, to our life, I just feel like it's nicer that way. I don't know, guys, but now I'm so I don't believe it, guys. I don't believe this actually happened, where I had to dream that Bebangshaya, they were hitting me, they were beating me up, and I wake up like this. I'm not even gonna edit nothing. I'm just gonna post this video like this because it's just how I feel. I don't want to cut anything out. I'm not even gonna edit this. I don't think I'll edit it. Oh, guys, man. People will just try you. They'll just try you, Shane. I don't trouble people. I hustle. Everything I have, I worked hard for it. It was never given to me. I had to work for it. So sure. And this dream actually thought I wasn't gonna wasn't gonna film a video. Look at me filming with my my lip looking like this. But anyways, hopefully, I hope it's going to go down because it just looks so weird. It just looks so weird. Hey, thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Siyagowisha, guys.